do you make a decision to be with someone for the rest of your life because you had a child with that person? Isn't it obvious that in one moment, instantly, as soon as I ask you something about that, you're like, yes, I can't wait to be with that man. If you have any doubt, I mean, if you have any doubt, it should be obvious that there's no reason for you to involve yourself with that man. And the same thing, like if a man is in question, people do things out of obligation and guilt. You do not have to. You're born free with free options. If the society puts up these obligations onto you, and people are telling you,
like, those obligations make me scared to be a single mother, and so I feel like that's almost driving me to be like, oh, it'll be easier with him because he can take care of her half the time or something, you know.
He will do whatever he wants to do. You will do whatever you want to do. And that's about it. Everyone has a choice. You can, even if you're married with somebody, you can't force them to do stuff. And if you do, and you manage them to do something, and something that they don't want, they will feel resentful. And then they're going to eventually revenge. They're going to revenge towards you and the child. It has to be a happy family. Like you with somebody that cares about both of you, really shares, and you can see that someone cares. If they're doing it just because the semen is from him, oh, I guess if a physical body reproduced itself and the semen came through this woman, well, I guess I'm obligated. Then we have that all over the place, and everyone is miserable because of this guilt. So, if you're feeling guilt or shame or embarrassment in any form, shape, or size, that is false. That is not you. That is ruining your happiness that you have chosen just moments before. The moment you start to think about shame, guilt, anything that is negative about your life, you have just ruined your happiness right now. Right now. That means you have to overlook all of your thoughts about negative aspects of your life in order to be happy.